Hey YouTube boxing fans, folks, we just had our second fight in PBC on Fox welterweight division. Sammy Vasquez stopping Martinez on the 7th round. Martinez was not able to continue. He quit on his stool. They are telling us right now that he hurt his left hand. Nevertheless, Sammy Vasquez was dominating the fight. He was having his way with him. He kept him on the back foot. He was very aggressive. Sammy Vasquez was outclassing Martinez in every aspect of the fight. Martinez looked slow to me, and he was not able to get off. And usually you see Martinez is the aggressor. In this case, Sammy Vasquez was just doing everything he wanted there. So, Vasquez won every round, and it wasn't even the rounds were not even close. I mean, they were easy to score, and Vasquez stays undefeated. It was a good fight while it lasted, but it just Martinez unfortunately just wasn't there. He was never in the game. He was never in the fight. So congrats, Sammy Vasquez, and he moves on to do bigger things. So that's about it, folks. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks. Bye.